The impact wrench can be a mechanic's best friend, and you're sure to find it handy in your own shed and for a range of tasks around the home. An impact wrench replaces your ratchet and breaker bar, making the removal or tightening of nuts and bolts a much speedier process. They are most often air-powered from your compressor or battery-powered like this Tool Pro 18-volt impact wrench. Your impact wrench should always be used with impact sockets designed for this purpose. Impact sockets are often distinguished from regular sockets by their thicker walls and flat black appearance, which is a result of their hardening process. All that's needed to use an impact wrench is a socket to suit the drive on your tool, and if required, a suitable size spanner to hold the bolt head in place, while the impact wrench does the work. Always be wary of the power offered by an impact wrench, as it's more than enough to snap smaller fasteners. On the other hand, never rely solely on an impact wrench when using it on torque-sensitive fasteners such as wheel nuts. A torque wrench should always be used to apply the final tension to these jobs. Due to the high impact nature of the impact wrench, safety glasses should always be worn to prevent eye injury should any component fail under pressure. Used in the right situations and with a bit of care, an impact wrench will save you plenty of time and effort on every job.